How to create videos with Canva AI. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create amazing videos using Canva AI. So even if you have a free account, you can still play around a lot with Canva, and I'll show you guys exactly how. To do this, simply log on to your Canva account, and we're going to be creating a mobile video. So for that, I can search for a mobile video in this section over here, and I'm going to go into templates. Then you guys can see the templates available for mobile videos. I'm going to click on create a blank mobile video. And once I've done that, I can proceed with adding my clips. Now, by default, you can go into uploads on the left and then go into videos. And over here, you can upload your files. Additionally, you can also upload your files by your mobile device, and they will be linked up to Canva on your desktop. So you can edit them on your desktop, but you can just upload them from your mobile device. So I have already uploaded my clips, and all you have to do after this is you can go into the design tab on the top. Once you click on the design tab on the top, you will have this little preview where it shows generate videos instantly. This is Canva's AI video generator or AI video builder. You're going to click on this, and this is Magic Design by Canva. From here, select the video clips that you want to use. As you guys can see, you have 10 credits available for free. Now that I have selected my video clips that I previously uploaded via my phone, I can provide Canva with a description of what kind of video I want to create using this design. And you can click on try an example and try another to find a nice little balance. So I want to create a highlight reel of long drive in the mountains. And I think this describes my reel pretty accurately. This is kind of what the clips are also related to. It's like a driving clip. So I want to create a highlight reel of a long drive in the mountains. Then I can click on generate over here, and Canva is going to generate the video for me. So it's going to reorganize my clips. It's going to just structure the video for me. And if you have ever created a reel or edited a video, you guys know how long it takes. So you guys can see it has added a lot of amazing text, and let's see what it looks like. So it has also added some audio. I'm going to turn it down a little. And I think it looks really amazing. This is really nice. I think it suits the clips that I added, and it's generally pretty nice. One thing I don't like is the blue background it has used. So I think I'm going to go ahead and alter the background a little. I don't like the background, and I think the font is a little too bold for my personal liking. So to edit this, what we're going to do is we're going to click on effects on the top right, and you guys can see the background is selected. I'll click on background over here, and I'm going to choose a different color. So I want to choose a lighter color. I just don't like how distinctive the black is. I think I'm gonna go ahead and pick out this. I think I'm gonna go ahead with a bluish color. I think it looks pretty decent. And I'm going to increase the spread, but I'm going to decrease the transparency. And once I've done that, I am just going to keep these numbers in mind. The transparency is set at 52. So now I can select the same thing, and I'm going to go towards all of the slides, and I'll select the same color, and I will reduce the transparency the same way. I can just go on ahead and do this. It's really pretty easy to do this. So because I'm using a default color, it's really easy to remember the values as well. And I'm just setting the transparency at a sweet 52. You can alter the colors as well. So if I want to make this a bit more interesting, I'll add pink in this one because I also really like the appearance of pink. So I can select pink in this one, and then again, I'm going to alter the transparency. For pink, I'm going to go with 30 because I don't need it to be very vibrant. And I'll just add the pink one from here, like so. And just like that, we've made our first changes to the AI, the AI created video. Now, this, thinking of all this myself and doing it all by myself would have taken me so much longer. This is what it looks like now, and it looks pretty amazing. Now, I want to, again, if I want to add a bit more dimensionality, you guys can see it has chosen a soundtrack. So you can click on the soundtrack and you guys can see what the soundtrack looks like. I can move the soundtrack and I can go towards maybe the higher paced version or the faster paced version like this, and I can choose that as well. And if you want, you can click on this track. You guys can see the option of beat sync on the top right. So click on beat sync over here and you can sync it to the beat if you have Canva Pro again. And you can see there are these beat markers. So even if you don't have Canva Pro, you can still sync it to the beat manually. You just have to just open up the audio and choose a spot where the first beat starts and which aligns with the video. So I am going to open this up a little and we have the first clip that ends here, which is pretty decent, the transition, and the second clip, I think I'm just gonna shorten it just the teeniest bit so it's just synced up really nicely to all the beats. And just like that, we have an amazing video with Canva AI. Now, this is about generating content. This is about generating, videos from your own recordings. If you are looking to completely generate AI videos with Canva, which means that the actual recording should be generated with AI, I'll show you guys how to do that as well. So I'm going to click on add page and I'll add another frame to this. Then you're going to click on apps on the left and you're going to search for Magic Media. Once you search for Magic Media, you're going to click on this on the left, and this is Canva's AI photo generator. But did you know that it can actually also generate videos? So for that, click on videos on the top right, and you guys can see you get 2 free credits on the free version of Canva. You guys can see there are multiple different prompts that you can add. I want to create a goodbye screen. So create a goodbye outro for my reels. Make it travel slash mountain related like this. And then I'll click, oh, I accidentally clicked on clear. I had to click on generate video. I'll just have to retype this. So create a outro clip for my reels, make it mountain related. And then I'll just click on generate, and just like that, our video is being generated. It doesn't really take long. It can take a couple of minutes. It's not too long that you have to wait a lot. So we're gonna wait for our outro, and this still currently, Canva itself has told that Magic Media's video generation is still in beta testing. This is not a fully fledged, video generator. They're not advertising it as so. So you do have to, use this with a grain of salt. Just be careful when using it because sometimes the videos it generates can be really wobbly and really wonky. So you have to keep an eye on that on your own. So just keep that in mind. Don't keep your expectations to, a perfectionist's level. Give it a break because there is, a lot of room within Canva's Magic Media video generator. And if you have a video generated, you can provide it with further detailed prompts. So you better understand, the more detailed your prompt is, the better the video outcome is going to look like. Additionally, try to not include super complicated scenes. So if you try to, make a really detailed video of a ring that is being put on a finger, that is going to take a lot of effort. That's going to be really detailed. And the AI might, make the ring look wonky or make the fingers look wonky or build 6 instead of 5 fingers. So our video is now almost generated. I'm really excited to see what Canva AI has created for us. So the video is now generated. Let's take a look. I will click on this video. Although I mentioned a reel, it still generated a horizontal video. So you guys can see, some basic errors, but this is what the video looks like. Let's see. Okay, not moving. Yeah, the elements within it are moving, and I'm just going to have to expand this out a little. I'll just resize this to you know, fit my aesthetic, and you can write your own text on top and further customize. Once you're satisfied with your AI created video on Canva, click on share on the top right and then click on download, and you can download this as a MP4 video. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.